In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new category in your HubSpot knowledge base. Whether you're managing a wealth of information or just getting started, having well-defined categories can dramatically improve the organization of your resources, making it easier for users to navigate and find exactly what they need. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation menu, look for the Service tab and give it a click. This is where all your service-related tools are housed, including the knowledge base, which will be the focus of today's task. Under this tab, you'll find an option labeled Knowledge Base. Clicking on this will take you to the section where all your current articles and information are organized. Now pay close attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a Configure drop-down menu there. Click on this menu to reveal more options. Among these options, select Categories. This is a crucial step because the category structure you set up here will dictate how information is grouped and presented to users accessing your knowledge base. There's a Create Category button positioned at the top left, and this is where you'll initiate the creation of a new category. By clicking this button, you're starting the process of defining a new segment of your knowledge base tailored to your content strategy or user needs. Next up, you'll need to enter a name for your new category. This name should be both descriptive and concise, capturing the essence of what this category will encompass. It's important that the name is intuitive for users navigating your knowledge base, so consider common terms or phrases your audience might search for. Following that, you'll have the opportunity to add a description. The description serves as an extension of the category name by providing further context. This can include an overview of what type of information users can expect to find in this category or any additional details that clarify its purpose. A well-crafted description not only enhances user comprehension, but also contributes to search engine optimization, making your knowledge base more discoverable. Once you've completed these fields, give everything a thorough review to ensure that the name and description accurately reflect the content you plan to cover. It's always a good idea to think about your audience during this review, ensuring the language and terms used align with their expectations. After confirming that everything looks great, your new category is ready to be saved. With these steps complete, you've successfully added a new dimension to your knowledge base, paving the way